It's a brilliant for any kind of watch with 19 luck size. It has a stainless steel butterfly buckle. You can see shining with the light. It's mean that it is purely of stainless steel. Brilliant quality band. You can see black crocodile leather inside in order to resist sweat and everything. Brilliant quality.
84वें अकेडमी अवार्ड्स की नामजदगियों का ऐलान 24 जनवरी को होगा और इसकी मेजबानी करेंगी 21 साल नौकेज अदाकारा जेनिफर लॉरेंस। इस मेले में और क्या-क्या होने जा रहा है ये आपको बताएंगे हमारे।
And this is the other part. You can see genuine leather, 19 millimeter lux size. So brilliant for any watch. And great convenience with the buckle. You can just with a click you can lock it. See, with a click sound, and then very easily you just press this portion and it is, you can see it is unlocked. So great for any kind of watch with 19 lux size, black in color, and good luck on eBay, on my eBay listing, to have it and enhance the beauty of your watch on your wrist. Thanks a lot for looking, and good luck.